I want to talk about something, and as being a carbonated person, I'm pretty sure we can all relate. And this isn't anything towards white people, but this is towards our own people. Something that I have noticed as of lately and before too, that we are so rude to each other. I mean, carbon to carbon, we are so rude to each other. Okay, so recently I went to go get my nails done at another shop because I said I wanted to experience something different just to see, if I wanted to go to a different nail shop just in case, I wanted to, branch out or whatever. So I go to this different nail shop, and of course we all know that it's all Asians that do nails, in the US pretty much. Well, it just so happens a black girl was in there doing nails. It was an Asian shop, but she was in there doing nails as well. So they link me with her. They tell me to sit down with her. Now, as soon as I sit down in her chair, she has an attitude with me. Now, I didn't have, a look on my face of like disgust or anything, or, I just didn't give her a bad vibe at all. I just was like, wow, I was thinking in my head, like, wow, black girls in here doing nails, this could be good, you know. But come to find out, she had an attitude the whole time. I mean, brushing me to pick my nail polish, just basically telling me up front what the prices were, as if I didn't have enough money to pay for my nails, just being absolutely rude to the point where I didn't speak to her the whole time with her doing my nails. And towards the end of, me getting my nails done or whatever, as I'm picking my colors and stuff, like I originally picked one color, but then I changed my mind. I said, no, I said, I don't want that color. I want this one. And I felt myself, having an attitude with her, and I had to switch that up because being a child of God, I cannot, match the same energy as her. So I started to make small talk with her, and she eventually opened up. But that just goes to show that when we're dealing with each other, we tend to have an attitude problem. And the sad thing about that situation was the girl behind me that was getting ready to get her nails done, she was a Mexican woman, and she was so nice to her. She went above and beyond to, have her pick her nail colors and gave her several options. As of, I only had one book to choose from, and it made me feel some type of way. And I was going to give the nail shop a bad review, but Holy Spirit said, don't do it, so I didn't do it. But I just want to talk to, us about this. Like, why are we so nice to all the other races, but we are so rude to each other? And I see that all the time. Like, and if we don't change our ways, if we don't change the way that we react towards each other, we will never unite, and it'll continuously be division and conquering between our race. It's sad, but it's true, Um, so, and another experience, we had today, me and my two daughters, we went out, to try to eat at a restaurant, and the waiter was a black man, and he was rude too, to the point where we just got up and we left, because we don't have to accept that, but it's the truth. Like, we need to get it together as a people. We really do.